Hello everybody, and welcome back to NonanGames. And welcome back to Deadbolt. We got a new cassette in the last mission, so let's check that out. Oh, it's the same one we already looked at, so never mind. We don't need to listen to that again. No, I didn't want to do that. Thank you. Okay, so we're gonna sit in front of the fire, get our next mission. Fireplace begins to speak. Flesh caskets breathe, burn the ash, shatter their teeth. I see two entrances to the house. The left entrance has less zombies, the right entrance has more weapons. My choice. I see visions of Charon, the ferryman. He may be interested in the souls I have collected for our mutual employer. I should see him at the docks before my next mission. Charon lives at the docks. I can exchange souls for weapons for my next mission. So, okay, we can, let's see, we have 50 souls. So that's not really going to get us a whole hell of a lot, but we can try anyway. I wonder if you can shoot this guy. Punch him? Nah. Let's see what we can get. Doesn't look like we can really buy anything. Buy a hammer. Yeah, why not? Coinage. Sweet. Alright, let's go and let's go burn some ash, bruh. Smoke signals. Let's get their attention of their leader. Burn all the drugs. That I can do. Okay, so we have two different choices. Can I not carry? Can I? Oh, sweet. All right, that's good. I think I'm gonna go to the right, just to start off with. And oh, we dropped another cassette. Burn the drugs. Cassette tape unlocked. Wait for it. Let's try and sabotage this guy from this side. Make him go that way. Alright, he's dead. We still have a hammer and one shot and the sawed off, so behind cover. This guy gonna open the door? There he is. He's dead. Okay, we already got all the drugs on this side, so burn, burn. He's gonna come up here. Oh, I'm so mad. Alright, we were doing good, so let's keep it up. Let me grab the hammer. Okay, that's fine. I'm gonna try something. I'm just gonna try and beat the shit out of the hammer. No. Alright, that's not gonna work. I just wanted to give it a try. Yeah, we're at the hammer. That's fine. Fuck. I'm so pissed. I punched instead of aiming, so that's my fault. No! Dick. Let's try going to the left. Fuck this guy's day up. Because that's just fucking funny as hell. Oh, the guy behind me got me. Alright. This is simple enough. Oh, you dick! Alright, we'll give it one more try. Ah! Alright, come on, we can do this. Fucking hell. Alright, we're gonna try the right again, because fuck that noise. Damn it. Yeah, remember... Bullshit. Gotta make this shot count. Come on, buddy. Alright, good. Alright, fine. Nope. Oh, I forgot to get the drugs down there. I'll grab that in a minute. Alright, grab the gun. Go down and get these drugs. Drugs for life, that's my plan, but now I have no attention. Spam! If you guys know that reference, then I love you to death. So, just want to put that out there. I'm so fucking pissed. It's so fucking stupid. Whoops, I didn't mean to hit my desk like that. Fuck. See, I just gotta be more patient about it, like... Okay, go in the vent. Fuck! See, I can pull that off if I just stop being stupid. close one. Fuck. Damn it. So pissed. Okay, so come on, buddy. Okay, I have no weapons right now, so I gotta pick up ammo for that. Pick up this. Okay, let's go down here. So I basically just have to fucking like just go for it. Wait for it. Okay, so this side is done. Oh, what? I did it. Hell yeah. So we're about 12.5 minutes right now, so I think I can try one more level. Make it so it's not too bad. Let's see how many stars we got. We got 4. That's good. I'm pretty happy about it. Ah, damn! What the hell? So I think we got a new cassette. Let's check it out. Zombie number 2. Only Ash helps. Ash brings a bit of Jacob back to me. What happened to Jacob? I remember. He died. He overdosed. My tongue feels heavy in my mouth. Talking is hard. Thinking is hard. Did Jacob pay rent? I shift my shotgun in hand. Standing hard. Standing is hard. Roland. Roland says we shouldn't smoke the ash. He says we need it. He says we can leave soon. I hear scuttling. I fire my gun and splatter Jacob against the wall. Though it was the Reaper, I'm sorry, Jacob. I think smoke fills the room. And Jacob, red and yellow and green corpses, is gone. Where's Jacob? I want to be Jacob again. Huh. Actually, you know, I'm actually just gonna end the video here because I don't know. It's a good stopping out point. We'll get to the next mission after that. So, thank you guys so much for watching. Yeah, like I said, I'm using I just bought Bandicam. It works better than OBS for quality and stuff like that, and like just no lag or anything like that. So I'm pretty happy with it. It was a good 40 bucks to spend, and I could afford it. So if that makes my content better for you guys, then that's what I want to do. So anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. This is Nonan signing off. Peace.